The situation surrounding Diddy has become increasingly disturbing and complex. Despite offering a $100 million bail package, 2 judges have denied his bond due to concerns about his history of threatening victims and potentially obstructing justice. Diddy has faced multiple allegations of sexual assault, abuse and intimidation, with accusations spanning decades. These disturbing accounts paint a troubling picture of his past interactions with women, and new allegations continue to surface. In recent developments, it appears that Diddy's legal troubles go beyond his alleged mistreatment of women. According to 50 Cent, Diddy may have also threatened powerful individuals in the liquor industry, further complicating his legal standing. Diddy's partnership with Dio, a liquor giant, was marked by a high-profile lawsuit where he accused the company of racial discrimination. While the legal battle was eventually settled, 50 Cent suggests that this lawsuit may have soured relationships with influential figures, leading to retaliation against Diddy. Diddy's struggles seem to have worsened after his disputes with the liquor industry, particularly after attempting to profit from his own tequila brand Delon. This move allegedly angered high-level executives and may have contributed to his current predicament. Some speculate that the civil case involving his brands quickly escalated to criminal charges due to the discomfort he caused these powerful individuals. Amid these legal and business battles, more women have come forward with harrowing accounts of sexual assault. New lawsuits have surfaced, such as those from women like Tia Graves, who claimed that Diddy and his associates assaulted and threatened them. These cases describe drugging, violence and threats, with some alleging that Diddy recorded these assaults and distributed the footage as pornographic material. These chilling revelations add layers of complexity to Diddy's ongoing legal woes and have led to mounting pressure for justice. The combination of Diddy's alleged mistreatment of women, disputes with the liquor industry and threats toward powerful figures has created a perfect storm of legal challenges. As more details emerge, it seems Diddy's influence and power are now working against him, with individuals he once worked alongside possibly pushing for his downfall. Diddy's legal situation has quickly spiraled into one of the most controversial moments of his career, with shocking allegations emerging, including accusations of sexual assault, abuse of power, and disturbing accounts of violence. Here's a deeper look at the situation. The first red flag in Diddy's case came with his denial of bond, even after offering an impressive $100 million in assets, including his mansion, private jet, and other significant guarantees. The judge's decisions to deny bail were based on Diddy's alleged history of threatening victims and concerns about him potentially obstructing justice or tampering with witnesses. The prosecution introduced past messages from Diddy, including a 2016 incident where he was caught on camera assaulting his ex-girlfriend Cassie Ventura and allegedly bribed hotel staff to delete the footage. This wasn't an isolated event. More accusations have surfaced, with women coming forward to share chilling stories about their experiences with the music mogul. One of the most alarming claims came from a woman named Jane Doe, who recounted an alleged sexual assault involving both Diddy and singer Aon Hall in the early 90s. She detailed a violent encounter at Hall's apartment, followed by Diddy choking her into unconsciousness when he feared his then-girlfriend would discover what had happened. 50 Cent has publicly suggested that Diddy's downfall is connected to a more powerful battle involving major players in the liquor industry. Diddy's lucrative partnership with Dio, the liquor giant behind Ciroc Vodka, seemed to go south after he filed a lawsuit accusing the company of racial discrimination. According to 50 Cent, Diddy's desire to control his own tequila brand Dio and push for more ownership made him enemies with some of the most influential figures in the spirits industry. 50 Cent's theory is that Diddy's legal troubles are not just about personal misdeeds, but a broader attempt to crush him for stepping on the wrong toes. He claims that Diddy's challenge to Dio escalated the situation, making some powerful figures in the liquor business push for his downfall. According to 50 Cent, the liquor industry moguls are using their influence to ensure that Diddy civil suits are quickly turning into criminal cases, keeping him locked up and away from public life. As Diddy remains in jail, more women are speaking out, describing harrowing encounters with him. Tia Graves, a woman from Texas, has filed a lawsuit accusing Diddy and his bodyguard of brutally assaulting her over 2 decades ago. Tia's account describes a nightmarish experience where she was drugged and assaulted by Diddy and his bodyguard, leaving her traumatized. The threats that followed, allegedly from Diddy himself, forced her to flee New York City and live in fear for years. Tia's story includes claims of the assault being filmed without her consent and the footage allegedly being distributed as pornography, deepening the trauma. Another accuser, Joy Dickerson, detailed a similar story of being drugged and assaulted by Diddy in 1991. She alleges that Diddy spiked her drink, leaving her in a vulnerable state and then assaulted her. She too claims that Diddy secretly filmed the incident and showed the tape to others without her knowledge. These chilling stories paint a disturbing picture of abuse, manipulation, and exploitation of power over decades. Diddy's troubles with Dio started in 2007 when he struck a highly successful deal to promote Ciroc vodka, making him a major figure in the spirits industry. However, in 2023, Diddy sued Dio, accusing them of racial discrimination and claiming that they only marketed his products to urban communities while neglecting his brands. Dio fired back, accusing Diddy of breaching his contract and acting in bad faith. The fallout was swift. Dio ended their 15-year partnership with Diddy, a move that many believe escalated his legal troubles. After this, Diddy filed another lawsuit against Dio, claiming they had blackballed him from the industry. However, the legal battle concluded with an out-of-court settlement in January 2024. Despite the settlement, Diddy's troubles didn't end, as his civil and criminal cases continued to stack up. The true extent of the forces working against Diddy remains speculative, but the mounting legal cases and accusations signal that the music mogul is facing serious and widespread challenges, whether it's powerful figures in the liquor industry, as 50 Cent suggests, or his own past catching up to him. Diddy's situation is growing more precarious by the day as more accusers come forward.